I'm in a BMW M2, next to me is an M4, next to that is an M530 Jahre, next to that is an M6. Now, I want to compare the performance over a standing quarter mile as you move up the M car range. We've got a guest driver with us today. It's Paul Wallace from Supercars of London. He's in the M6, we're giving him the best car, and yeah, we're going to see what happens. Now, this M2 is actually manual, so I'm going to have to display a fair bit of skill because all the other cars are automatic. Right then, let's get on with the race. Oh, I'm away first. Come on, me! Come on, me!
Traction there.
Oh, poor gearbox. I'm ahead! No! 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 No, 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 no! 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 That's over. Oh! Right, okay. I got a wicked start! Wicked start! Anyone who thinks that an M2 is in any way, shape or form almost as fast as an M4 just saw what happened there.
So what did happen? Well, the M4 covered the quarter mile in 12.5 seconds, the M5 did it in 12.6 seconds, the M6 managed 12.7 seconds, and the M2 took 13.2 seconds. Soon we'll be seeing how these cars compare in a rolling race, but first let's talk about numbers. The M2 costs from £46,000 and it has a 3-litre straight-six engine with a single turbocharger. It produces 370 horsepower and 500 newton meters and weighs 1,570 kilograms. I timed it from 0 to 60 miles an hour in 5.2 seconds. This M4 competition pack costs from £62,000. It's powered by a 3-litre straight-six with 2 turbochargers. It has 450 horsepower and 550 newton meters and weighs 1,535 kilograms. I timed the M4 from 0 to 60 miles an hour in 4.1 seconds. This M530 Jahre is powered by a 4.4-litre twin-turbo V8, which produces 600 horsepower and 700 newton meters, and it weighs 1,870 kilos. I timed it from 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. It cost £91,000 when it was released in 2015. You can't buy it new, as the all-new, all-wheel drive M5 will be on sale soon. Finally, this is the M6 and it's the competition pack, which means it's powered by the same 600 horsepower 4.4-litre V8 twin turbo as the M5, but it weighs a little more at 1,925 kilos. I timed it from 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. If you want one of these, it'll cost you £96,000. Now then, let's see how these cars compare in a rolling race.
We're doing 50 miles an hour. Everyone's going to pull level, and then I'm going to count down 3, 2, 1. We're going to mash the throttle. Now, because I'm starting the race and I'm in a manual, I'm pre-selected in third, so nicely in the power band. They're in sports mode in their gearboxes. They're auto, so they'll have to kick down, but I'm the underdog. You know, I've got to get some kind of advantage. Everyone's level. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on! I think I definitely had an advantage there just being in gear, but God. That M4's got me now. That's the end. We know what's happening. We know.
Essentially, the M5 and M6 were pretty much neck and neck and dropped the M4, which, despite being a bit slow to kick down a gear, eventually flew past the little M2. But did I really care?
It might be the slowest, but I prefer it. I definitely do. It's just, I don't know, smaller, a bit more nimble, feel more engaged or in tune with the car. So it's got character. Speed is not everything, and it's easily fast enough.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it and click on our logo to subscribe.